And today we will be showing you how to put now we are putting the hard drive back in. Right now we're putting in the motherboard. We are connecting the motherboard to the case by putting all the screws in. Look. Now we are attaching the battery supply, which is also the power supply, to the case. Right now I am screwing in the A drive and the floppy drive. Back the hard drive into the case. Now I'm attaching the video cable to the motherboard. We're fixing our mistakes. We made a little mistake, so we're backtracking.
Pardon?
It's running, it's on. The monitor's prod. The monitor's shit, dude. Aww, I swear it was working yesterday. To a little bit, to the point that we turn it on at least. Hold on, let me see something. We have to switch the battery. Main processor. We have to switch the battery supply.
So how's it going?
It's going good, we just have to switch the battery supply.
Power supply.
Oh. It says floppy disk fail. That's alright.
Yeah, I know.
We don't have a floppy. How about CMOS?
Okay. Press F1 then.
Press F1. Is it plugged in? Plug it in.